Hello, guys. So we've been receiving several messages in our comment section how one can bypass AI. So AI detection, exactly. So when you use AI to generate a content, and we know that we have AI detectors, software or application around that is actually going to check whether your content that you have generated is a purely human generated content or is just from an AI tool or a bot. All right. So how then do you bypass AI detection? This is purely ethical way. Purely ethical way. We not going to use any dubious means. But the question again, how do you make your content generated from artificial intelligence to sound more human, or it's actually coming from what? A human. Okay, so what we have over here, I just generated this content and is on employee motivation. You can test it with any other information that you want. So I am just saying that I just want one paragraph on employee motivation. So that is what we have over here. Employee motivation refers to all this up to this side. Now, if you don't want to use any application to guide you to bypass the AI detection, then you have to read over the information that the tool has generated for you. You read it over, and we are supposed to change some words over here. Okay, so you change some how the statement or the sentences are being made. You bring in some vocabs, you remove some, and then you are set to go. But when the content is generated, you can also check, first of all, to know your AI percentage. So we are going to check our AI percentage, then later on we come back to how you can use other tools like QuillBot to facilitate the paraphrasing of your AI content so that it looks more human than that of just what? A tool or a bot. Okay, so we have this particular information over here, and it was tested. So when you check that of this tool that we are using, that is a QuillBot, we have there's an AI detector. So let's just check that. So we have, okay. So what we have over here, we that is the same content, that is the same information, employee motivation. Then we pass it through the same QuillBot, the AI detector, and let me, okay, so you can see the writings very well. Okay, so you realize that when it was passed through this AI detector, we have 56% of the text is likely AI what generated. Okay, all right. Now, when you pass it through another AI detector, so let's copy this, then come to this side, that is 0 GPT. Okay, so I'm going to paste my text over here. Detect text. So let's detect the AI content in this, and we have 100%. So 100% AI what? GPT. All right, good. So how then do you reduce this 100% to exactly zero? Or let's say you want to reduce it, then keep on reducing it so you get no AI content. Okay, so we're going to use this tool in our subsequent videos. We'll come out with more what techniques. So make sure that you subscribe so that when we drop any video on bypassing AI detection, you get a notification. All right, so we just move to QuillBot, our paraphrasing tool. Okay. All right. Now, when you log into your QuillBot application or you launch the QuillBot, what you are going to see is you have this interface, and the interface that you have, you are supposed to um you push in some works over here as we see over this side, then you proceed to the word paraphrasing. Now, what do we have? Let me zoom. I think I'm supposed to take some information over here. Oh, sorry. Okay, fantastic. So this is what we have over here. We have shorten, we have standard, we have fluency, we have natural, formal, academic, simple, creativity, or creative, expand, custom. Now, with what do you have over here? I will advise you to use the shorten mode, because look at what we have over here. When you copy the entire of this and you paste it over here, how many characters or how many words that we have over here? We have 91 words. So the first approach to bypass AI detectors is to try as much as possible to change the entire statement generated for you by the AI tool. That is the first approach. You have to change the entire statement, keeping the context or the logic behind it. Just try to change the entire content. How would you change the entire context? Is by reducing the number of words. That is the easiest or the quickest approach. Now, one may ask, but I have 91 words and reducing it to 66 words will surely I'm going to reduce or remove the logic behind the paragraph. No. If you want to maintain some aspect of logic in your content, then go ahead and prompt the AI that, okay, this is too scanty. I want you to give me up to, like, let's say 800 words, or expand what you have generated, expand it more so that you get more words over here. And when you get more words, it will be okay for you to get rid of some of the words. With what we have over here, we have 91 words over here. Now, using the shorten, when we paraphrase, we had 66 words. When you use standard, fluency, natural, formal, academic, simple, creative, expand, and custom, it adds more words to the 91 words that we have over here. Yes, and that one will even look more like AI generated because it's going to add more words to that. Now, apart from using the shorten, you can increase the side. You see, synonyms, fewer changes, more accurate, more changes, less accurate. This one depends on you. You can use this feature to get more human-like content. Now, once this is generated for you, you can go ahead and rephrase. You can go ahead and copy what we have over here, paste it into this section, and click on shorten. The more you shorten your content, the more you get rid of the AI aspect of your content. Now, if you think that this is okay for you, you just click where you have the red and you have the blue writings. When you click on that, you have more words to replace that. That is what you can use. So let's try to click on, let's say, devotion. So we have other options over here. So you can use obedience and that. So this is one approach that you can use to bypass AI detection. Now, let's go ahead and copy this paraphrase content and push it into the AI detector. And let's see the percentage that we are going to get. Okay, so we copy this. Then we come back to that. Then we paste this. Okay, so let's check this. Detect text. So that is it. 0% AI GPT. There are numerous techniques that you can use, ethical, that you can bypass AI detectors. Okay, for now, this is just one approach. If you want to know more, just subscribe to the channel. And the moment a video is dropped, you get a notification. All right, guys. Thank you once again for watching this section of our video or tutorial on AI. Note it's purely ethical. Okay. All right. See you guys.